everyone, Tierra here with Gypsyfae Creations. Thanks so much for tuning in. I am doing another Valentine's Day inspired soap. I have been holding on to this raspberry truffle fragrance by Brambleberry. It came in their soiree collection. I don't even know, it was earlier last year maybe, and I've just held on to it, not exactly sure what I want to do with it. Inspiration has struck. When they sent that heart-shaped column mold, I thought that is perfect for Valentine's Day, and then I made some little tea cakes in them that I did a little embroidery brush method on, and they reminded me of chocolates. So I want to make little heart-shaped chocolates with this. I've just added in some bronze brown into my oils. I'm going to mix that up. The fragrance does have vanillin in it, so let me read the description to you. It smells like the real thing, it says. Notes of raspberry and Belgian chocolate are the most prominent, followed by peach, pink peppercorn, musk, and vanilla. And there is 10.54% vanillin in it. Discolors to a dark brown. So I'm just adding in that little bit of bronze brown mica by Nurture in there just to even it all out, add a little shimmer to it, and then the fragrance is going to continue to do its own thing. One of the reasons why I was struggling with coming up with a design was because of all that vanillin in there, but I'm glad I held off because I'm really happy about this idea. I'm going to give this a little mix first to mix in that mica, just like I did with the last heart-shaped column design that I did. I had some leftover batter, and so I have my silicone cupcake liners over here to the side because I'm going to also do some matching cupcakes. I'm going to pour in my fragrance and just mix that in, and it smells just like a bottle of raspberry truffles. It smells so realistic. It has really nice notes of chocolate and raspberry in there. It smells delicious. So this is a fairly simple design that this soap is starting out with. Nothing else going on with this. Just going to pour it up into the column mold and the cupcake liners. I'll let it sit for 24 hours, and then I'm going to cut it, and we're going to decorate it with maybe some icing or some flowers, and just kind of make them look like little raspberry truffle shaped chocolates, or heart shaped chocolates anyway. Now let's get that column mold over here and the cupcakes liners all ready to go. Alright, so to decorate the chocolate hearts, I was thinking about doing like a red border around it, maybe some dots. So I have some red soap icing in a writing tip. I also have these little melt and pour roses that I'm going to just kind of stick on the middle, and hopefully they look like chocolates when I'm done. So to finish off these matching or accompanying cupcakes, I have got some chocolate bars that I'm going to put on here. I have these little raspberry embeds that'll go on top, and then I have the same exact little rose melt and pour flowers that I used on the hearts. So I'm going to get my icing over here, and I have colored that in pink. And you can see how nicely these cupcake bases have turned to a very dark brown, and that is exactly what I wanted for the chocolate, and that is from the vanillin in the fragrance oil. I wanted this icing to be pink, but I didn't want it to be unscented at the same time. So I did add a little bit of that fragrance in there, which will probably darken up this icing as well. Hopefully not as dark as the bases, but we want the cupcake icing to smell, so taking the chance on that. Let's get this icing on here and we'll just start decorating these. So there you have it. We've got the raspberry truffle hearts and the matching raspberry truffle cupcakes with their little raspberry toppers. I put a little bit of the bursting beads by Brambleberry on there, some pink glitter, love and the roses, and a little chocolate, and I just think they go so well together. These will be available on the January 24th shop update, just in time for Valentine's Day. Thank you guys so much for watching and supporting me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel and you enjoyed this video, please subscribe. Any questions or comments, you can leave them in the comment section down below. And until next time, I hope you guys have a very nice day, and I will smell you later.